Tim.
Hello, sweetie. How you doing?
I'm doing well.
Here we are in
Seoul, South Korea.
Seoul, South Korea.
I'm excited about being in Seoul, South Korea.
Yes, me
Although
too.
I'm a little tired.
Yeah, it took a long time to get here, but we went to the airport. We got in the airport. Then we took the bus, and it was 2:00 when we got in the airport, and it's 6:00 when we got to the hotel.
It was about 7 o'clock when we got to the hotel and finally checked in. It took forever on the bus. The traffic was crazy in Seoul, South Korea.
Long trip.
It's normally only an hour, but it took us well over 2.
Yeah.
It was really long. Anyways, let's talk about how much we spent in Japan.
Okay.
Since we're done with Japan.
Yes.
So what was our top expenditure?
Okay, let's see. Restaurants.
That's how much. That's okay. How much did we spend in restaurants?
Well, activities actually. Activities was 71% of our budget.
Ooh, 71%. Do you
So we had
remember what you
lots
did?
of fun.
We did have lots of fun.
Yeah, we did lots of fun.
We went to Disneyland.
Disney twice because
Disney,
two
see?
different worlds. Yeah, and then we went to Universal, so that was really nice.
And I also counted the JR Pass as an activity. And that alone was $702. And that included the shipping fee by FedEx to the hotel in Japan that we were staying at so that I could activate it basically right away. So that total 71% includes the $702. The 2 Disney passes
That's
for
a
the
lot,
2 different days we went, one to Disney Sea and one to Disneyland, Tokyo, and then one day at Universal Studio. One day at Disney Sea, Tim splurged and spent $24
Oh yeah,
for a
just to get
fast
on a
pass.
ride. Yeah, because we want to make sure we got on this
Yeah.
particular ride.
It was the Bella?
Remember? Yeah.
It was Bella. Belle and
Well, and Beauty and the Beast.
Beauty and the Beast one. It was worth it though. It's something I've never experienced before.
Yeah.
With the floating like teacups, it was a lot of fun.
Yeah.
Definitely, I enjoyed both parks actually. Actually, I enjoyed all 3 parks.
Yeah.
So it was really
It was
good.
really nice. Everything. Oh, it was beautiful. The whole place. Every place was beautiful.
I really enjoyed the JR Pass though.
Yeah.
I'm gonna do a separate video on that because I so think that was worth it as much as we used it.
Yeah, we used a lot.
I think we spent $350 per person on it, and we got over $550 in value out of it because we took a lot of bullet
We
trains.
did take a lot of trains.
So it was awesome.
Yeah.
What was our next expense?
Restaurants for $223.
$223, and that's because we did eat at the parks.
Yeah.
The 3 days we went to the parks, we did not have lounge access when we were in Kyoto at all.
Yeah, they didn't do that.
The
so
Park
it's fine.
Hyatt or at the
We have it here.
Hilton House or at the Caption. We only had it when we were in Tokyo for those 5 nights. But the 4 additional nights, we didn't have lounge access at any of those Hyatt places at all. But so we spent money on food. But we didn't spend, I mean, we did spend money one night. I think we spent $50 was the biggest expense we had was for one meal. And that was at it was at Universal Studios last night.
Which one we have now?
You had the spare ribs and I had the roast beef.
Harry Potter Wizarding World.
At the 3 Broomsticks.
We had, they were kind of big meals. She couldn't,
I didn't finish it. You finished mine.
Yeah.
But it was $49, I think, for 2 meals, which
Just
isn't
Christmas
bad, actually.
meals. They're kind of special meals.
Yeah.
So.
Yeah, so it was really good. It was worth it though, because that's over 9 days that we spent the $300, right?
Yeah.
So
$223.
$223. Oh, that's not bad at all. That's like less than $25 a day, basically.
There you go.
Well, that's good.
There you
We
go.
didn't do too bad.
And then we had Ubers for $196.
$196 in Ubers. This also included a few of the metros that were not covered by the JR Pass, and it also included the bus trip when we originally arrived in Japan. We had to take the bus to the hotel. I think that was like $34. I'll put a list up here so you can see how much that was. And then we also had to take the fast train back from Osaka to the airport, and that was not part of our JR Pass. So that's why it was so expensive with the Ubers. It wasn't all Ubers. It was a combination of metros and buses. Anything other than the JR Pass, I put in that.
There you Okay, and then flights were $55.
That was taxes and fees, and we flew there from Vietnam, I
Okay.
think. I actually don't know, remember.
Not
Oh no,
re- we don't
we were
remember
in
anymore.
we were in Taiwan.
Okay.
We were in Taiwan. We flew there from Taiwan. It was about a 2.5 hour flight, but that was taxes and fees only for $55.
Okay, and then we had laundry for $14. Oh my.
It was $14. We used the hotel laundry
Mm-hmm.
because you could do your own hotel laundry at the Hyatt House.
Yeah.
Unfortunately, we had to dry it several times.
Yeah.
But because we were,
the dry didn't work so well. So, in other words, if we spent extra money, it probably would have been just
$9.
$9. Yeah,
Yeah.
but we spent extra to get them
to
dry.
And it wasn't dry, but so we set it out overnight.
Oops.
But it was fine. I mean, since we're globalists, we got to be on the top floor of the Hyatt House, and that's the only floor that actually has a self-serve laundry at the Hyatt House there. So that was kind of nice.
So yeah.
So
And then general was $12.77 for just extras.
just extra stuff we bought,
Little
not a
silly
whole lot.
things.
We didn't buy any souvenirs at all in
No, we did
Japan.
not.
We've been to Japan before, so
Yeah.
we didn't really do Tokyo. We did a lot of day trips from Tokyo, but we didn't go to downtown Tokyo because we'd already been before.
Mhm. Yeah, we've been there
So,
before, so we.
Yeah.
just-
It was
Yeah,
nice though.
it
So
was
what's our
nice.
total expenditure?
Oh my! Let's see our total.
Over
expense.
9 nights, 10 days.
I have no idea. Okay, Japan is $1,707 for the whole thing.
Okay. So it's about $180 a day, and that includes our activities.
Mm-hmm.
And the activities, so I should say that the Disney pass, I think, was $140 total for 2 people per day. So about $70 per person to
Not
get
that
in. It
bad.
was really inexpensive.
Mhm.
And I believe the Universal Studio one was a little bit less than that.
Yeah.
So the bulk of the expenses was the JR pass, but we had to have transportation all the way down to Kyoto.
Yeah.
And we wanted to go to Hiroshima, and we wanted
Yeah.
to go to, obviously, to Osaka because that's where we're flying out
We
of.
spent a little bit more on a ferry because.
Oh yeah, we did. That was fun.
Yeah.
Down in Hiroshima, we did because we wanted to get to that island so we could see the shrine.
Yeah, we
Yeah.
could have done a cheaper way on land, but she wanted to take the ferry. And
Yeah,
see,
we
so
could have done
was
the
nice.
JR pass with the JR ferry, but
Yeah,
it
it could
was,
have been free, but
it wasn't
we paid a little
scenic or
extra.
anything. So yeah, definitely, but definitely worth it. So
Mhm.
it was less than $200 a day.
Mhm.
Of course, we didn't pay anything for a hotel and only $55 for airfare.
Mhm.
So definitely something, because we had wanted to do a lot of the activities. We've not been to Disney World, Disneyland in Tokyo.
Nope.
We had not been to Universal Studios there.
Nope.
And because Tim is getting a little older,
Yes, I apparently
thought-
am.
he needed to go now.
And see Tokyo, and we've been to Paris, and we've been to Florida, and been to California. So we probably needed to,
Get those
do them
in.
all.
Before,
We still have
don't want to ride the rides
One
anymore.
more, I think.
In Hong Kong.
Hong Kong.
Yeah. So that was how much we spent in Tokyo.
Yay.
Not, I don't think it was too bad actually. I mean, it was a lot of money without a doubt, but we did exactly what we wanted to do, and
Yeah.
thankfully we used our points, and we didn't have to pay for the hotel room, even though we stayed at the Park Hyatt Kyoto, which is like $2,000 a night.
Yeah.
We stayed there for
no,
one
that was
night.
crazy.
We stayed at the Hyatt Regency at Tokyo Bay for 5 nights.
Mhm.
Again, all on points, and the Hyatt House, and we got to stay at the Caption, which gave us another hotel brand, so we get a free night stay with Hyatt again. So we're pretty excited about that. Plus, it's 9 nights, and since we are at that globalist level already, every 10 nights we get an extra 10,000 points.
Yeah.
So definitely something that we're really excited about.
Yeah.
So thankfully we saved a lot of money
Yeah.
on that aspect of
Yeah.
it, so we could spend it on all the fun activities.
Yeah, and so we stayed at a very exclusive hotel, right in the downtown of Japan.
Kyoto.
In the old town.
Yeah, it was gorgeous.
Yeah, and it was beautiful. Yeah, it was. You'll see it in the videos.
However, we would not do it again.
No, one time only.
One
It's
and done
too-
type
so
thing.
expensive.
The thing about it is it is expensive, but as we travel, we're not really in the hotel room that much.
Yeah.
So it, unless you're going to use it as a resort or something of that nature, it's, in our opinion, it's not worth it.
No, but it's nice to see how the
was
other
gorgeous.
half lived.
It was. But we were only there for a few hours. We went out and walked around town.
Yeah.
We came back and kind of slept and then left early the next morning.
Yeah.
So we weren't really there other than to sleep, which is why for us
We got to
it,
see it though. We got to see it.
it was nice to experience
One
it.
time.
Yeah.
One time only.
Won't do it again. You know, because it's just not our travel style. So nothing against anybody who does that, but it's just not our style.
It was nice though. It was really
We'd
pretty.
rather see more stuff.
Yeah, it was pretty though.
Definitely.
To see how how they set it up. Now this hotel right now we're in, technically is a little prettier than the one we were in Japan, in my opinion.
Yeah, we're in the Intercontinental in Seoul,
Yeah.
South Korea, and the lounge here is amazing.
Yeah, the lounge. We'll take pictures of that, and the entrance and the downstairs is amazing. Plus, it's connected to a mall.
Plus, they served you
Oh
an
yeah.
entree
Oh yeah.
in the lounge.
Yeah, it's
So they served me
great.
steak with
Nice.
potatoes in the
Yep.
lounge.
They served me salmon, and then
On
on
top
top
of the
of that,
buffet.
on top of the buffet that had the sliced roast beef and the thin sliced, I don't know what they call that, bruschetta.
Oh, okay.
So plus all the desserts. They were it's
That's
crazy.
me making cocktails.
Crazy. There was cake with gold on top of it. It's kind of extravagant, and then on top of that, custom food you wanted to.
And we're using points here at the Intercontinental with IHG, so we'll be here for 4 nights.
Yep.
So
We'll
we will
show
tell you
a
more about
video
that
on
tomorrow.
Yeah. Okay, there you go.
All right, bye.
Bye-bye.